Tired of stale air and allergies in your car? Okay, this video is for you. We're diving into a small DIY project to improve the air quality in your car. So, this is basically just swapping out your cabin air filter. Let's do it. This K&N cabin air filter does not require any replacements in future. This is a one-time thing that you buy in your life for your car, and you just have to clean it once every 15 to 20,000 miles, and that's it. The car that we are currently in is a 2012 Toyota Prius, and this car has the cabin air filter behind its glove box here. As soon as you open the glove box, if you see here on the side, there's a plastic strut. Disconnect this, and then what you're going to have to do is push with your two hands on both sides, push the glove box walls in and pull it down. Once we have the glove box out, it's time to remove the old air filter. So this rectangle thing right here has clips on both sides. Just push that two clips and try to pull it. Should come right off. Here you can see the air filter, slowly slide it out. See how dirty it is? Oh my god, we can't live with this anymore. This doesn't have any mark that says up or down, just like the old one. So what I'm gonna do is have these letters here, the K&N emblem and the Made in USA letters here, have them upright so that it's in the right direction. And once you have it in the right direction, slowly slide this back in, and once the filter is in, put this back just like you did before, and that's it. So when you're putting the glove box back on, make sure these tabs here align with these small two things. They're on the either side, so just make sure you align those first. Once you have that, push this back in. So once you have the glove box back in, latch this hydraulic stud back into place, and boom, that's it. Alright guys, that's it. This is a very simple install, and it will save you a lot of money in the long run. Moreover, it's eco-friendly, and clean air means a happy driver. If you like the video and find the video helpful, please let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Gen 3 Prius content. Thank you.